This is the case of Domingo Gonzalo versus John Tarnate Jr., GR number 160600, January 15, 2014. The facts of the case. DPWH had awarded the contract for the improvement of a certain project to Gonzalo Construction. Petitioner Gonzalo subcontracted to respondent Tarnate the supply of materials and labor for the project. An agreement was executed by both parties. In furtherance of their agreement, Gonzalo executed a deed of assignment whereby he, as the contractor, was assigning to Tarnate an amount equivalent to 10% of the total collection from the DPWH for the project. This 10% retention fee was the rent for Tarnate's equipment that had been utilized in the project. During the processing of the documents for the retention fee, Tarnate learned that Gonzalo had rescinded the deed of assignment. The retention fee was released to him. Tarnate demanded the payment of the retention fee from Gonzalo, but to no avail. The issue is whether or not Tarnate can recover his retention fee. Yes, the court held that the subcontract agreement and deed of assignment between Gonzalo and Tarnate are void for being contrary to law. However, the court allowed Tarnate to recover his retention fee as an exception due to unjust enrichment. The prevention of unjust enrichment is a recognized public policy of the state. In Article 22 of the Civil Code, it provides that every person who through an act of performance by another or any other means acquires or comes into possession of something at the expense of the latter without just or legal ground shall return the same to him. Gonzalo was liable to pay Tarnate the 10% retention fee.